Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about 1688 Chinese shopping app. Recently, I have received countless complaints about 1688 account frozen or account restricted, account blocked, can't log in. Different kind of messages has flooded to my DM on my WhatsApp and about account restricted or banned or restricted on 1688, and I decided to make a video about this to address this once and for all. In this video, I will tell you the reason why you are getting frozen in your login page, and at the same time, I will tell you the best and safer way to log in on your 1688 account in order to keep you safe without any stress. Let me show you how. So this video here is for every 1688 user, whether you have been using 1688 for a very long time or you are new to 1688 Chinese shopping app. So let's get started. But before we dive into tutorial, as you know me, my name is Rafi Yakub. I'm an importer and a procurement agent. If you want me to procure a link on 1688, Taobao, JD.com, Shein, or any Chinese e-commerce app or website, or you want me to fund your Alipay account, consider to reach out to me on my WhatsApp via the number in the description of this video. And don't forget to subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. So like I said, we are going to explain the best and safest method to log in successful to your 1688 Chinese shopping app if you don't want to get account banned on any of your 1688 accounts. Number one thing you need to know about this is that before you can create a 1688 account, never use a VPN. That's number one rule things you need to know. Number two things you need to know is that you need to bear in mind that you can never use two 1688 accounts on a single device. That is very wrong. Now, on to login page section. I'm going to make use of a screenshot to explain this because I've already logged in successful and I've had my account for a very long time and no issue. That is why I decided to address the issue of banning or stuff like that. So I'm going to bring out this particular screenshot right here. So this particular login page right here. So if you have this login page, most especially some of the newly download of 1688 app, you have different method of login. Whether you download your 1688 app on Google Play Store or you download your 1688 app on App Store, you are going to have this login interface right here. Now, I want to believe that getting Alipay is very difficult, especially to verify it. But what if I tell you it still remains the best way to have a safe and secure 1688 account? So in a nutshell, all these Google accounts, Apple accounts, email, all this and the rest, they are not safe and they are not secure. If you log in with any of these options from the top right here, you can get restricted, you can get banned at any point in time because some of these things we are not fully recognized by Chinese system. So the only best way that secure you and remove you from any account ban, provided that you are operating your 1688 account within the law of the terms and user of 1688 account. The best method to log in successful is your Alipay. So anytime you get to your login page, always use Alipay and check on your terms of using right here and log in. Then your account will be successfully logged in. That is for Alipay right here. And bear in mind, the Alipay account that you must use to log into your 1688 account must be a verified Alipay account. If your Alipay account is not verified, you can still get banned and restricted at any point in time. All in all, whenever you want to log into your 1688 app, whether you are a new user or an old user of 1688 Chinese shopping app, be sure of logging it with your Alipay account. It's that simple. This is what I have for you as far as Alipay account and 1688 safe account is concerned. If you have question for me as far as this particular tutorial is concerned, you can put your question in the comment section down below. And for more useful tutorial, tips and tricks on how to source ship products from China using 1688 Chinese shopping app, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.